I have 5 animal riddles for you. Stay tuned because the answers may shock you. Let's begin. I have 4 legs but no feet. I help build homes across the land. What am I? I'm quite a clumsy flyer. My name matches my body. I'd live alone in a cot if I weren't kept by somebody. What am I? People jar me, study me, fear me, though I'm not so scary. In clouds I may generate, but only inches I span in length. What am I? I'm spineless and live in the sand, scavenging all over the land. Though I don't have a brain, 2 neurons I do contain. What am I? Found in St. John and St. Thomas, I have quite a prehensile tail. I hang out in trees by the sea and feast on fruits that give me energy. What am I? If you made it to the end of the video, share how you did in the comments below. Did you do well? And if you enjoyed this video, share a thumbs up if you want me to do more content like this one.